Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP500 index fund analysis, the Nasdaq 100 analysis, the DXY or US dollar analysis, plus Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, the SP500, guys, when it came here, yesterday it touched here the 200 moving average after he breaking for us here. People they've been with us for some time now, they know those things. When it's breaking for us here, that channel, it came till here till the 200. Then I told you need to protect yourself here. Now look at it, what it's showing to us here now. There is power doesn't allow it to break above the 200 moving average. So here it's still a little bit early, guys. It's not yet. Did we got any price action here indicating for us we need to enter short? Not yet. We don't got any price action here indicating us we need to enter short. The only thing, the people they enter with us from here long, when we used to have here that candle like that or that flag like that, you protect yourself here. If you're trading with leverage, you sell 50% and you move the stop loss to here maybe. Now, as you see it now, what it doing? It came back to retest that level which is broken here. Now let's see if we are going to go back up and we're breaking that last high which is here. That one here, I'm talking here about proper price action, because if you see and look with me here, what you see, it's being here a resistance, it's getting broke here, the price it went up, then it came back, it tested again here in that zone. Now we need the price to go above to break for us that last high here. If it doesn't get in broke here, 100% that one is going to break down again. So you need to make a close eye at those things, me I'm telling you. You need to be focused on what is going to happen here in that zone where we are. Everything is very simple, nothing hard, nothing complicated. And even if you go to the daily, in the daily it's showing you also still in a downtrend, as you see it. Till now there is no candle breaking above the 200 moving average. So in the daily also still in a downtrend, guys. Need to make a close eye at those things I'm telling you. And in the daily here, it gives you here a very stronger pin bar. Let me show it to you. As you see that pin bar where it came, if you're looking with me here, in that zone here, the one here, it's being like a resistance. And here it's being like a support. It came that candle here and it show us here a pin bar in that zone here. So what that going to indicate? Maybe we're going to see it falling down. Maybe another candle is going to come to break it. Because me, I don't base my trading on candles. I base it on price action pattern. That way me, I told you, every time follow price action. Going back to the 4 hours. So what should we do now in the 4 hours? Over here, we don't have nothing to do. Either from here is going to go up and to break for us that last high which is here, or is going to break down and to enter again in that level here. If it enter again here, you're going to see it going back downward here. Everything is very simple. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. If it came back down here, that's another story. That means it's going to fall down more than that. So us, we need to wait in now. Till now here, we don't got any price action here indicating for us we need to enter short. We need to wait in a little bit. What's going to happen? Yes, you can make like that. Now you can make like that and like that. You got a triangle here. So it's the same thing. If it's breaking upwards, it needs to break for that last high here. And if it came down here and it's breaking down here, it's going to fall down more than that. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. So it's going there. Our indicator, it's saying here, also enter here to the overbought area. Now we need to looking for a price action for us to enter short. Price action here in that place here, we don't have nothing. We don't have any price action. Level, yes, we are in a very stronger level. Look at it with me here. If you see it here, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone here. And now you touch it again. And we couldn't break it again inside here to enter inside. So till now we're still below that stronger level here. Price action, I'll show you now that one, but that one is going to be for long-term trading, not for swing trading. For swing trading, we need a price action to happen here. We need to wait in a little bit because that price action, if you're looking with me here, that one here is the same like how it happened here. It's the same pattern. You see it or no? Look with me here, give you high, give you another low here. Same thing, it give you one high and another low here. If it came down here and breaking lower here, yes, you can enter short, because if we change it from here, from candles to line, let's see it. From candles to line, it tried to give us here a double bottom, guys, or a double top here, like how it gave it to us here. Now, if that one breaking the lower here, yes, you can enter short because you are actually in a short position. And over, if you crossing below here, you close everything. How you do it? You just came to the one like that and the one like that. If it's crossing below here, you enter short. We are going to 30 minutes and we explain those things to you. So let's go now to 30 minutes. By the way, before we go to 30 minutes, yes, are you not yet in our family? Make sure to join our family. It's very simple. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to also like that. When we put in something new, you're going to be notified, or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go to 30 minutes. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, look with me here. It gives you here a head and shoulder, very clear head and shoulder here in 30 minutes. See it or no? The neckline is here. He couldn't break it down here. Yes or no? There is no breakdown here in the neckline. And we got another price action here. Look with me here in 30 minutes what we got. We got here a wage now. Now that one, if it came and breaking upward here, you need to enter long. If it came down here and breaking down here, you enter short. Here in 30 minutes, picture very, very, very clear compared to the 4 hours. It give you here a price action. I'll show you the 2 price actions. Look with me here. I'm not drawing top of it for the picture to be more clear to you. That's a head and shoulder. You see it or no? First shoulder is here. The head is here, neck shoulder is here. The neckline is here, down, here, that one. Middle those ones, that's the neckline, guys. Till now the neckline doesn't being broken. And here in the top, look what it give you here. It give you here a wage. So for you to enter long, it need to break here. For you to enter short, it need to break down here. It's going to break the wage and the neckline. Take profit for that one where it need to be. Look with me. Down, here, where we used to be before when we have that double bottom. Everything is very simple. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's being here at the overbought area. Now it's showing it's going up. Should we enter long? Not yet. Our indicator is it at the oversold area level. We are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. As you see it last time, from here it used to fall down. I don't want to back even to here. Now you are in it. You need to looking for a buy opportunity now. Yes or no? Price action. You got any price action here? Yes, you got. I just show you here. You got here a wage like that. If it's breaking upward here, you enter long. Take profit of that one where it needs to be. If you enter long, you came here, you draw in a vertical line like that, and you do it like that. So over here, it needs to be the take profit of your last high here. Everything is very simple. By the way, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You don't. Pause the video now, go ahead and smash in that like button, writing down a comment, support us. If you are one of our family, they always supporting each other. So please pause the video and smash in the like button. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into the Nasdaq 100 to see what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the Nasdaq 100. Here, that one, as you see it, when it's breaking yesterday here, we used to have here like a triangle here. We enter long, it came to upward here to that place. I told you protect yourself. Now look with me here what it give you here. What you seeing now? You got here a channel. Until now it doesn't break in the top of that channel. Here. Should you enter long now? No, people, they enter long now. They protect themselves. And they try to move the stop loss upward, and they being focused now with me what is going to happen. There is no entry long yet here in the 4 hours. It needs at least the market to come to break for us here. If it doesn't, there is no entry. If you go into the daily, what you're going to see, let's go in there. Here we are in the daily. Here in the daily, what the market tried to give you here. The market is tried to give us here a double bottom, a very huge double bottom like that. It is completed. Not yet. Not yet. I'm talking here for long-term trading in the Nasdaq 100. For short-term, us we still here in a downtrend. Here in the daily, there is nothing changed. Also, we still in a downtrend. Let's go back to the 4 hours. And here in the daily, guys, look with me here. Very, 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 very well. Let's zoom it like that. What you see in here? That one here is a very stronger supply and demand zone. From here, last time, it fell down. You got a very nice pin bar. You see it or no here? What that indicating, that pin bar I'm talking about here? What that indicating? That it indicate the market is going to reverse. But how going to confirm it for you? The candle which is going now, how is going to finish? For the market to reverse, it need to come here a red candle like that. Till now there is no red candle over here. It's staying only a doji there. That is indicating a indecision candle. There is nowhere the market is going. Over here, the buyers and the sellers, they still fighting where the market is going to go. Let's go back to the 4 hours. So over here in the 4 hours, what should we do? Here, nothing, my friend. Same thing like how I show you that pattern here is the same. It's repeating here. You need to wait in the neckline if it's going to be broken or not. In 30 minutes, you're going to find it a head and shoulder. We are going there. So you need to make a close eye at it. The first time from here it fall down. Now you are in it again. Let's see if it's going to fall down or not. Till now who's still holding is that level here. Because if you're making a close eye with me here, You see that level here? When it's getting broke, the market, look what it did. It go up and came back, it tested. Now it needs to go to break the last high, which is here. Yeah, now there is no breaking up. Actually here, it give you here a high, and now there is no power to go up. If it's breaking lower, that's man, the trend is changing here. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's enter here to the overbought area, like how it's enter here in that zone here. Same pattern, it's repeating itself. Should you enter short? Not yet. There is no breakdown. It needs to break down here. It needs at least to break the neckline. If it doesn't, there is no entry. You need to wait a little bit more. Let's go now to 30 minutes to see what is it there. So it's going there. Here in 30 minutes, look with me here in 30 minutes. The same like the SP 500. Look, you see it or no? You got here a head and shoulder. Where is the neckline? The neckline is here. Very clear head and shoulder. Over here, that one here, that the first shoulder. Over here, that the head. Over here, that the next shoulder. Should you enter short? Not yet. It doesn't breaking down here. It doesn't breaking down here. There is no entry short. Should we enter long? Not yet. Long, look with me here what you got. You got a wedge here. For you to enter long, it needs to break here in the top. For you to enter short, it needs to come down and to break down here. Because that one, if you're looking with me here, we be coming from down. It can be a continuation pattern or it can be a reversal pattern because the wedge is another pattern, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see, it's entered here to the oversold area. Price action, the only price action we have here is that one, that wedge here for long. It's need that one to come to break upward here for also enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry. It might from here is going to break down here and it's going to fall down till down here. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the DXY or US dollar to see what the US dollar doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the DXY or US dollar, guys. That one here also we enter long because it's breaking here. We enter long till here. People they been with us for some time now. It give us here a double top like that. Also we enter short from here till down that place. Should we close everything now? Not yet. We don't got any price action here indicating the market is going to reverse upward. Because we stay in a downtrend here in the DXY, guys. You need to make a close eye at those things, me, I'm telling you. And look with me here what the market give you here now. The market, it give you here a down channel. Yes or no? Look with me here. So that one, it needs to come down till it touching the lower of that channel here. That's why me, I told you it's not yet. Our indicator, what it say? Let's see it. Our indicator, it's very close to the oversold area. People, they enter short, try to protect yourself now. If you trade in Forex now, British pound, it make very decent profit from yesterday and today. Euro USD, the same thing. The Aussie, the same thing. That's how you trade in Forex, guys. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what is it there. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, picture is a little bit different than 4 hours. Look with me here what you have here in 30 minutes. You got here a symmetric triangle. Yes or no? If it came upward and breaking here, you need to enter long here in 30 minutes. Another thing here in 30 minutes. Let me show it to you. Our indicator, it's being here at the oversold area. Everything is very simple. And another thing, let me show it to you again. Level where we been waiting. Look at it. And we are very close to that up trend line. It might is going to touch it. It might not. We don't know exactly what's going to happen. But you, if you enter in the 4 hours, try to protect yourself. Over here, I'll show you now what you got. You got here a symmetric triangle like that. If it came and breaking upward here, you enter long. Remember that. You enter long here in 30 minutes if it's breaking here in that level. Remember those things, me, I'm telling you. Now let's go in to see the Bitcoin, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes for scalpers and day traders in Bitcoin. Here in 30 minutes, what else we said in the last videos. I told you used to have here a price action. Yes or no? A megaphone. I told you if it's breaking here, you need to enter short. But I told you if you are conservative, you waiting the correction to happen, then you enter long. Why I told you all that? I told you because look at it. You are in a very, very uptrend. Now what the Bitcoin showing to us here? The Bitcoin, he couldn't break that last high here. That one here, there is no power to break it. Look at it. See that peak here? There is no power to break that peak here. Because that one here, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. From here, last time it fallen down. Now you are in it. For the Bitcoin to go up, it needs to break that one here. It needs to break that last high here. Till now, there is no breaking. Should we enter short here? Got any price action here now? You can make like that. But you need to wait in the Bitcoin to give you here a double top for you to enter short. Till now, there is nothing yet confirmed here in 30 minutes. And I am going to show you something. It's going to confirm for you the Bitcoin is going to reverse down. Let me show you something very important, guys. Our indicator here, it's enter to the overbought area again. Yes or no? Level, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone in 4 hours in the daily everywhere. But till now there is no big power to break that level here. And even the volume is very, very, very low now. I got something else. Let me show it to you. Here, guys, look, our indicator, that one. I'll show you. Yesterday we got here the divergence like that. Look with me here. It came down here. Now it's going back. It's touching the divergence line. Shall we enter short? Not yet. That one is just an oscillator. You don't need to base your trading on it. You need to base your trading on price actions. Price action? There is no price action breaking down here, that neck line here. So you need to wait in a little bit. What's going market to tell you? Tell now there is no entry short here in the Bitcoin in 30 minutes. Everything is too clear? So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle finished. Bye for now.